What is up, people? Happy Saturday. It's your boy Lex Money Crypto, and in today's video we're jumping into Jasmy again. Now, it was very popular for all of you guys, and again, thank all of you who have been taking part in my journey. We're trying to hit 3k subs before the end of the year, 10k subs before the Bitcoin halving / bull run. So help me on my journey. Let me know if you're already subscribed, and if you're not already subscribed, what you doing? Help a brother out. So Jasmy, guys. Now, Jasmy was a pretty popular video. I was actually quite shocked at the Jasmy army and how many of you guys there are. While the wallets may not be as high as a lot of other projects, you guys are a strong army. Now, in today's video, guys, we're going to jump back into the chart. We're going to look into the news. I've actually added a second target for all of you traders as well. So let me know if you're trading Jasmy. If you're a hodler, let me know right now. And let's get into the video. All right, people. So we are up 6% for the day. From our first entry, we're up about 30%. From our second entry, we are up 10%. It's crypto. What's 10%? It's nothing, right? There are some key resistances that we literally are meeting right now, guys. So we need to be paying close attention to Jasmy. Again, things don't always just break out on the first touch. Sometimes it takes a few tries. Things don't always go up forever, guys. So we have to be patient. We have to be cautious. If this thing decides today's not the day that it wants to break out, even next week is not the time that it wants to break out, we have to be cool with that, okay? Now, I've been seeing a lot of people saying Jasmy is a scam coin. Jasmy is never going up. I hate Jasmy. Jasmy gives no returns. Guys, look at the rest of your alt portfolio. Look at ADA. Look at Matic. Look at VeChain. Look at HBAR. They're all down. We're literally not even started gearing up for the real bull market yet, guys. Bitcoin takes its turn, then ETH, then alts, then smaller cap alts, and Jasmy is a smaller cap alt, guys. While a lot of you may be saying, oh, but it's 200 million, Pepe got to 1 billion. What was that? Pepe got to 1 billion, guys, okay? We're not even a quarter of what a meme coin did, okay? So we're still a small cap alt. And for everyone that's complaining that, why has Jasmy not made any returns yet? We literally have made returns from the very low, from the bear market low, guys. We're up like over 50%. Is that not a return, right? And I've said that in the comments on the last video. So it's all about perspective. It's all about when you got in. Some people probably got in like in the bull market last year and Jasmy was up. So yeah, you haven't made any returns. But everybody who waited and was patient and now you are taking action on new positions, we're up. Okay, nothing to complain about, nothing to worry about, but I get it. Japanese Binance users will now be forced by government regulations to migrate their global accounts to domestic accounts, and they must get rid of unapproved currencies before migrating. This is the short list of approved currencies. Da, 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 da. Who have we got here? We got Jasmy. Okay, it's an approved currency. And yes, it's a Japanese Bitcoin, so obviously they're going to approve it. However, look, we've got a lot of other major alts in here as well, and I do think Jasmy is going to be joining the party in a lot of these top 50, top 100 alts as well. Now, can we hit 60k holders for Jasmy in December? Surely with Jasmy being the 8th highest searched coin on CoinMarketCap, it has to pick up the pace now, doesn't it? And yeah, look. In November, we were the 8th most searched. Again, that's why you guys are one of the strongest communities and you've been helping me reach my sub goal. Like, I couldn't believe how many of you guys actually subscribe for more Jasmy content. So, again, if you're here for the Jasmy content and you're not subscribed, make sure that you are, because we're going to be going ham on Jasmy up until the bull run. And like I said, a lot of people will be fearful right now because they got in up there. They got in all the way up there, guys. And we've actually got in all the way down there. So it's all about perspective. And I just want to remind you guys, I saw so many YouTubers saying Casper's a scam coin. And it was all over Twitter. It was all over the comments. Casper's a scam coin. It's a scam coin. It's a shit coin. And it did a 10x and it basically shit on all of you that called it a scam coin because it's made 1000% returns. And it can be quite painful for a lot of you guys who are watching, who've maybe been hodling from higher entries. I get it, but if you really have conviction in the coin, you should just see this as an opportunity to be getting your average price down. That's what I do. Listen, guys, I bought ADA. I was buying ADA NFTs when ADA was $2, right? When ADA was $1, when ADA was $1.50. What have I continued to do all year? I continue to buy, okay? I'm not saying ADA's a shit coin and it's going to zero. I have conviction in ADA. Same way I have conviction in Jasmy. I continue to buy. I continue to get the average price down. And this is what I mean. I mean, look at all this red. It's been red for weeks, been red for months now. It's been red for almost a year, and it can be hard to be buying into this red. But what are we meant to be doing? Be greedy when others are fearful, guys. Okay, right, now enough of the chit chat. We're going back into trading view, guys. You can see that we had our two entries. We had 0.0039, 0.00469, and we're starting to make our way up. Now we are hitting our head on this level of resistance right here, guys, and that's what I was saying to you. Like, you have to be careful when you are trying to long these breakouts. Again, our stop will be anything below the sort of 0.002 level, and it looks like we're trying to tackle this major resistance. If we do break out of this major resistance, I do think it is blue skies all the way up until 1 cent. We have a higher target of 210% at that 1.4 1.5 cents range. A lot of you guys said, how long is it going to take for this to break out? Guys, we could easily hit our head in resistance here, retrace all the way into next year, all the way. What did we say? We had the token lockup, we got the Bitcoin halving, we retrace. Everyone has just completely given up on Jasmy. Boom, one last try. What is that touch? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th touch, and then we could start to go, and these targets will get smoked. At that point, if we did have a retrace down to these lower levels, guys, I'm going to completely remove the target 1, and I'll just be looking for more long-term targets if we do break out around April. So while a lot of you guys may not want to hear that, a lot of you guys asked when when breakout, and we can't give exact dates or times, but if we do find some sort of resistance here, we could be going down for another sort of couple months or something like that. So guys, it was just a very quick one on Jasmy. We are currently up from our position, not to say that we won't hit our head at some resistance. So it was just a video to let you guys know, be careful, manage your risk. Don't just go all in on a coin, because you may get opportunities to get them cheaper. Will it happen for Jasmy? Who knows? You guys let me know what you think in the comments. And again, help me reach 3k subs before the end of the year, and 10k subs before the bull run. And until next time, it's been your boy Lex Crypto. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace, gang.